Welcome to our lecture on the team approach to healthcare. In this session, we will explore the dynamics of working as part of an emergency medical team, including the roles, responsibilities, and principles that ensure effective collaboration and patient care. As an EMT, you are a critical member of the emergency healthcare team. One of the key goals of EMS Agenda 2050 is to create inherently safe systems that minimize exposure to injury, infections, and stress. Emphasizing a culture of safety and a just culture is vital in achieving this goal. The shift towards community paramedicine and mobile integrated healthcare has revolutionized the team concept in EMS. While team structures differ between systems, the focus remains on providing seamless and effective care across the continuum. EMS teams can take various forms. Regular teams consist of members who consistently work together, while temporary teams involve collaboration with providers you may not know or interact with regularly. Both types require adaptability and professionalism. Specialized teams include fire, rescue, hazmat, tactical EMS, and others like bike teams or in-hospital patient care technicians. Each team is designed for specific challenges, requiring unique training and expertise. Let's differentiate between groups and teams. A group consists of individuals working independently to assist the patient, focusing on tasks like triage, treatment, and transport. A team, however, functions interdependently under a designated leader, with each member playing a specific role. This coordination is essential for effective patient care and achieving shared goals. 5 key elements define a group: a common goal, a shared identity, continuity, shared values, and distinct roles. These elements form the foundation of a cohesive and efficient team. Teams can be categorized as dependent, independent, or interdependent. Dependent teams rely on instructions from a leader, independent teams work autonomously, and interdependent teams collaborate, sharing responsibilities and accountability. Effective teams share common traits, including a unified goal, clear roles, diverse skill sets, and strong communication. Supportive leadership ensures the team remains focused and efficient. Communication and situational awareness are key to team dynamics. Crew resource management emphasizes the PACE mnemonic: probe, alert, challenge, and emergency to enhance decision-making and coordination. Patient transfers are critical moments in EMS, with potential for errors. To ensure smooth transitions, prioritize uninterrupted care, minimize interference, maintain respect, and use a common language or system. BLS and ALS providers must work seamlessly, recognizing that their efforts are interdependent. Skills performed at one level in your system may differ in another, highlighting the importance of mutual support. Assisting ALS providers involves a 4-step process: preparing the patient, setting up equipment, performing the procedure, and ensuring continued care. Collaboration here is essential for success. Critical thinking in EMS relies on up-to-date knowledge, patient information, medical history, and physical examinations. These elements guide sound decision-making in high-pressure situations. Decision-making in EMS occurs in 4 stages: pre-arrival, arrival during the call, and after the call. Each stage demands adaptability and a focus on patient outcomes. Beware of decision traps like bias, anchoring, and overconfidence. Recognizing and avoiding these pitfalls is crucial to making objective and effective choices. In team conflicts, the patient's needs come first. Avoid engaging in arguments, stay calm, separate personal issues from the task, and choose your battles wisely. These strategies help maintain professionalism and focus,